And next is, and also, compound matters is the changing of lived matters from time to time. It is the simple truths yet unpredictable or catchy truths which are easily remembered. Next is the 20th century terminologies. First is jazz music. Jazz music rooted in improvisation, characterized by syncopation, rhythm, a steady beat, and unique color. Next is rhythm and blues. Rhythm and blues are dance music of African Americans that focus blues, jazz, and gospel styles. Next terminologies of 20th century is the musical. Musical is a type of theatrical performance. Musical terminology is used in the theater when theater performance or in a theater room or place. Next is terminology is the rock music. Rock music is a vocal music with a high or driving beat. Rock music it can also use an electric guitar or guitar when playing a rock music. Next is reggae, a style of music that is originated in Jamaica. When you hear the music that is kind of related from the country in Jamaica. Beatles. Beatles is the most famous English band of the 60s and popularized the hit song. The Beatles are very famous band, and there are four members in the group of the Beatles, and they are all boys. The last famous composers and personalities in 20th century is no other than Michael